This tutorial will walk you through how to make a cute cat pillow using only leftover scraps of fabric. This cat face pillow is honestly really simple. You'll be able to accomplish it in no time, even if you're a beginner. So download the free pattern from the link in the description below and follow along with the step-by-step tutorial. To start with, you want to arrange the scraps for your pillow. Lay out your fabric scraps and start organizing them into a collage. Make sure this scrap collage is big enough for your pillow pattern to fit. Remember to overlap the fabric pieces to account for seam allowance. Now you want to sew the scraps together one by one. I usually start with the smaller pieces and then add on the bigger pieces. Now you want to cut out your pattern from the scraps. Place your cat pattern on top of your scrap layout and cut it out. This will be one face of your pillow, and you want to repeat the process of making a scrap collage for the second side of your pillow. Once you have two cat faces cut out, you want to sew them together with right sides together. Be sure to leave a small gap at the bottom of the pillow so that you can turn it to the right side. Now you want to clip the corners and curves. This will give a smoother curve to your pillow when you turn it out. Turn the pillow to the right side using a long pointy tool to poke out the ears and the seams. Now you want to stuff the pillow. You can use whatever you want to stuff your pillow. I like to use leftover fabric scraps that are too small to use for anything else, but it does make the final pillow a little bit more lumpy than it otherwise would be. So if you don't like the look of that, then you can use polyfill or any other type of stuffing material. After that, all you have to do is sew up that gap, and you're finished. You have a cute, scrappy cat face pillow.